So you're thinking about using quick detailers on your car? Maybe you've tried them before, but are you sure you're using them correctly? Hang tight, we'll come back and answer this question for you. Hi, I'm Tim Kennedy, owner of Divergent Elite Detailing in McDonough, Georgia, and welcome to Ask Divergent, where we empower those seeking to be the heroes of protecting the look and the functionality of their automotive investment. Quick detailers are a favorite tool among car enthusiasts and professionals alike, with endless options from various brands. But here's the reality: many people aren't using them correctly, because they often treat them as a replacement for a proper wash. While it might seem convenient to grab a quick detailer for a dirty car, doing so can lead to unwanted swirls and scratches. Using a quick detailer on a dusty or dirty car essentially grinds that dirt into the surface and leaves behind damage that's hard to ignore. So when is the right time to use a quick detailer? Only after the car is clean. So here's how to use them the right way. Number one, use only after washing. Quick detailers are designed for clean surfaces. Apply them during or after the drying process on your car to give it that extra pop or gloss and smoothness. Number two, keep it minimal. So avoid overusing the product. A light mist is all you need to enhance the finish without causing streaks or buildup. Number three, spray and wipe properly. So instead of spraying directly onto your car's surface, apply the product onto a microfiber towel and then gently wipe the surface and use the dry side of the towel to buff it to perfection. So number four, avoid dirty cars. So never use a quick detailer to clean dirt or dust off your car. There is no substitute for washing and can cause damage if applied to an unclean surface. Quick detailers are great for adding that finishing touch and removing light water spots after washing, but they're not a replacement for proper wash. So if you've invested in paint correction or to maintain that flawless finish, using quick detailers sparingly and correctly is key. So for those with cars that already have imperfections, quick detailers might seem like a convenient option, but they can still cause damage over time. Using them the right way ensures that your car stays looking its best without unnecessary harm. Got questions? Awesome. So you can submit them at AskDivergent.com and a video will be created to address your question. Or if you need a quick answer and want to call us, do that. 678-310-3153. We're here to help you become the hero of protecting your automotive investment.